Hi, I am Pregymatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 15th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 15th week, it is important to take foods that are rich in dietary fiber and probiotics. Dietary fiber, which aids in digestion and helps prevent constipation. Probiotics, boosts immunity and aids in maintaining a healthy gut. Guava Pachadi. Ingredients required: 1 bowl guava, 1 bowl of fresh curd, 100 grams, roasted jeera powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon, chopped green chili, 1, oil, 1/4 of a teaspoon, salt, to taste, curry leaves, as required, and some crushed fresh coriander leaves. Guava Pachadi, for the 15th week. Let us see how to make this delicious pachadi. First, peel guava skin and cut into small cubes. Take a bowl and add the guava cubes, fresh curd and a pinch of salt. Mix all the ingredients together. Then, heat oil in a pan, fry green chili and curry leaves, pour this into the bowl of pachadi, garnish with fresh crushed coriander leaves. Guava Pachadi is a delightful and nutritious addition to your pregnancy diet. This pachadi not only tantalizes your taste buds, but also provides essential nutrients for you and your baby health. And then, hope you liked the 15th week pregnancy recipe video from Pregymatic. Pregymatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.